Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are all doing great. This is part 2 of Stream API coding questions. I already released a part 1 where I discussed about the complete dataset which we are going to use throughout this series of videos, and I solved 5 coding questions in part 1. I request you to please watch that video first, then you are able to understand these questions. Without further delay, let's get into part 2 where we are going to solve few more different coding questions on Stream API, and I hope it is going to be a good learning experience for you. This is our first question in part 2. We have to find the second highest salary employee details. Let me do a copy paste. Yeah, I already have it. So this is sixth question. We have to find the second highest salary employee details. And this is the complete data we have where we have different employees with a different set of data. Okay. Let's see how we can solve this problem. If we carefully observe, we already solved one question in part 1 where we have to get the highest paid employee. Okay. That is nothing but the first highest salary, right? So in this video we have to find the second highest salary. So let's do it in different way, okay, so that we can go through by different methods. Okay, let's see how we can do. Employee list dot stream dot, I'm going to leverage this sorted method. Okay, in the sorted method we can have a comparator. Okay, generally sorted method is going to take a comparator. Okay, so it is going to compare, okay, by a particular property of an object. So in this case I'm going to take comparing double because our salary is double data type. Okay, which you can see in our employee class also. Here if you go to employee class, you can see our salary is double. Okay, that's the reason I'm going with comparing double. So in comparing double, just pass our salary. Okay, and as soon as we started comparing, just do a reverse. Okay, reverse is reverse method is nothing but performing descending order. Okay, that is nothing but highest to lowest. Okay, once you reverse these things, okay, just skip the first one. Okay, if you do reverse on the collection of data, what will happen in the descending order? So your first record is going to be the highest salary, right? But in this problem we need second highest salary. For that reason, just skip the first record. Okay, then get the first one after skipping the first record. Okay, and or else you can have or else method. So if you are unable to find anything, just return null. Okay, let's capture that into an employee object. Employee second highest salary. Okay, yeah, we are done with this one. Let's see whether we are going to get a valid output or else not. Second highest salary employee. Second highest salary employee. Great. Let me run this one to see. Great, we have this output. Second highest employee salary is, the employee name is Wang Liu. Uh, his salary is 34,500. Let's verify it manually. Okay, if we carefully observe, the salary is 25,000, 13,500, 18,000, 32,500, 22,700, 10,500, 27,000, 34,500. That is nothing but Wanglu which we got output. Then 11,500, 11,000, 15,700, 28,200, 21,300, 10,700, 12,700, 28,900, and 35,700. So if we carefully observe, so we got the correct output, right? Because Wanglu is the guy who has the second highest salary among all the employees. Okay, that's all for this problem, this question I mean to say. Let's go to the next coding question. Question number 7. Let's see what is it. Great. Get the maximum salary of an employee from each department. Great. If we carefully observe this complete input set, we have different departments, right? HR department, sales and marketing, infrastructure, product development, security and transport, account and finance, right? So this coding question is all about like we need to find the maximum salary of an employee from each department. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this one. Employee list dot stream dot collect. So on what basis we have to collect? We have to group them based on the based on what department, right? Just group them employee department, and after that what we need to do, we need to get the maximum salary from each department, right? For that what we can do, collectors dot max by we have, right? On max by what? Max by salary. So for that just pass collectors dot I mean comparator dot comparing double. Okay, because max by is going to take a comparator as a parameter. So on what basis we have to compare? We have to compare on the basis of salary. Okay, done. So this is going to return as a map. So just grab them into a map. Department is going to be string and salary is going to be double. Max salary by department. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, map. Okay, so it is going to return us employee record. Okay, just have an optional. Okay, like this. Just see the output now. System dot out dot println max salary by department. Okay, just print it. That's all. Okay, great. We got output like this. For product development, Anuj Chettiar is the one who is getting the maximum salary, and for security and transport, Jaden Dog is getting the maximum salary. Like that, we have for all the departments. The last one is account and finance, where Manu Sharma is getting the maximum salary. Okay, great. We are done with this question also. Let's go to the question number 8. Question number 8. Let's see what is in our plate. Okay, get the employees count working in each department. Okay, great. So we do have total 6 departments, right? This problem is all about we need to count the number of employees in each department. Let's see how we can solve this one. Stream dot collect. Collect on what basis? We need to collect, group them by department. Okay, employee dot department, and we need to count them, right? Further, just do collectors dot counting. That's all. So let's grab those in a map. is going to be string, it is going to be long, employees in each department. Great. Let's print system dot out dot println employees in each department. Great. Let's see what we are going to get. Okay, great. We can see in product development there are total 5 employees. Under security and transport we have 2. For sales and marketing we have 3. For infrastructure we have 3. For HR we have 2. And account and finance we have 2. Great. We got the output. Let's go to the next question. And you can cross verify. Okay, if you want to see the output, if you want to see for example infrastructure, so here is the employee 1 and here is the employee 2 and here is the employee 3. Okay, if you go to our run, you can see for infrastructure we have 3. Okay, great. Let's see question number 9. What is the average salary and total salary of whole organization? I request you to please pay some attention here. This is not is all about a separate department or a separate gender, right? This is all about whole organization. We need to find the average salary and we need to find the total salary. So what is mean by this? Let's see. Sum of all employees salary is total salary of organization, right? And sum of all employee salaries divided by number of employees is going to be average of the organization salary, right? Let me write here formula. Average salary is going to be sum of all employees salary divided by number of employees, right? And what is the total salary? Total is simple, sum of all employee salary. Okay, let's see how we can solve this problem. We have a class called double summary statistics. Okay, and I want to stretch out a bit more here. This double summary statistics is going to process the list of doubles on a stream, and it is going to store its mean, max, average, total values. Okay, let's see how we can solve this one. I'm going to have some statistics is equals to employee list dot stream dot collect on what basis? Collectors dot, you can see summarizing double. Okay, on what basis you have to summarize this complete stream? On basis of salary, to be simple. That's it. So what this code is going to do, so this code is going to give the statistics, okay, of the stream on the basis of salary. Okay, and that will be stored under the statistics object. Okay, now I want to print the average and total, right? That's it. It's too simple. Out dot println average of organization salary. And the best thing about this class is it provides us lot of methods. Okay, you can see here, get average, get count, get max, get mean, get sum. Okay, just you need to leverage those methods. That's all. We are done with the average. Total, this is going to be average salary of organization and total salary. Total salary of organization. Further, just see we have some method. Okay, and this is one of the best way to, what I can say, solve these kind of problems. I mean to say, like, sorry, the summarizing double from collectors method will return all the statistics of that stream based on whatever parameter we are passing. That is nothing but salary here. So this double summary statistics is going to hold that complete statistics, and it's too handy for us, right? So we no need to work multiple times on average, multiple times on sum, multiple times on mean and max and count, right? So in one shot you can get all these things, so you can leverage these things. Let's see what is the output we got. Great, you can see the average salary is going to be some 21141 point this, so you can trim it if you want. And the total salary is 359,401. Okay, you can even do the addition to know whether the output is correct or it's not. We are near to the last question, question number 10. Let's see what this question is all about. Separate the employees, okay, who are younger or equal to 25 years from those employees who are older than 25 years. Okay, great. If we carefully observe our input data set, so what we have employee age, right? 32, 25, 29, 28, like that. So this problem is all about segregating the employees data based on their age. Okay, so those who are younger or equal to 25, and those who are more than those who are older than 25. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Employee list dot stream dot collect collectors dot, and we have a method called partitioning by, which is going to take a predicate. Okay, this predicate is nothing but on what basis you have to, what I can say, segregate, I mean to say partition. Okay, here I want what, emp dot get age greater than 25. So what it's going to do, it is going to divide partition, I mean to say partition your stream into two sets, I mean to say two parts, where one part is going to hold the employees data who are younger or equal to 25, and other part is going to hold the data who are older than 25 years. Okay, let's see what happened here. Acha, okay, emp is already there. Let me have the e here. Great. So this is going to return as a map. Okay, in this the first is going to be boolean because the partitioning by, okay, if you see this method signature, you can see it going to return a map. The first one is going to be boolean that indicates whether this condition satisfies or not. That means like true or false. Okay, boolean followed by what, it will going to give us list. Here what we are going to see, list of employees, right? Then it is going to be employee partition employees. Great, we are done with this one also. Let's see out. Partitioned employees based on age. Okay, partitioned employees. Great, let's see our output. Great, you can see our output is looking like this. The first is false, that means these employees are I mean, I'm sorry, these employees are less than or equal to 25. Okay, you can see the first one is Paul Nixie, 25 age. Like that, if you go bit side, you can see the second one is 24. Okay, which is also less than or equal to. And if you keep on going right, you can find the true also. Okay, one second. Yeah, here you can see true. Okay, if you see true, the employee ages are greater than 25 only. Okay, 32 here and then 29 here, so like that. And I hope you learn something new today. And with this, I'm wrapping up this complete video, and I will meet you with next to content in the next video. Thanks a lot. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to share my video.